Hello students, in this video you will find discovery of neutrons. Discovery of neutron. I am going to tell you another fundamental particle, discovery of neutron. Neutrons. Here, first point. James Chadwick in 1932 bombarded alpha particles on light element atoms, beryllium or boron atoms. He observed that a neutral particle, electrically neutral particle, was coming out, released from beryllium or boron atom. This neutral particle was called neutron. Equation was like that. Beryllium atomic number 4, mass number 9. When helium particle was bombarded, then there was formation of carbon and a neutral particle, neutron. This is called neutron. This equation is related to the discovery of neutron. Once again, James Chadwick in 1932, when bombarded light elements, beryllium or boron atoms, beryllium or boron elements with alpha particles, then he observed that there was electrically neutral particle produced in this nuclear reaction. This particle is called neutron. The equation related to this is, I have written here, remember this. Now, properties of neutron. Properties of neutrons. First property, it is represented by charge is 0 and mass is 1 unit. Then we can write here first symbol. Second one is its charge, relative mass is 1 unit. Mass is nearly equal to that of hydrogen, and absolute mass, its absolute mass is 1.675 into 10 to the raised power minus 24 gram. Slight heavier than proton. Proton is 1.672. Here 1.675. Slight heavier than proton. And its charge. This is symbol. And electric charge or charge neutral. Then location, where it is found, its location. It is found in the nucleus. It is found in the nucleus. Then nucleus of an atom contain protons and neutrons, which are collectively known as nucleons. Protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleons. Neutrons are fundamental particle of atom. These are found in all atoms except protium isotope of hydrogen. In protium isotope of hydrogen, neutron is not found. But in deuterium, tritium isotope of hydrogen, neutron is present there. Proton is there in protium also. Deuterium, tritium, everywhere proton is there. But neutron is not present in protium isotope of hydrogen. This is about the fundamental particle, neutron, and its property. Thank you.